Good evening. I'm UR15 CS335. So I'm going to do my Java program using the concept called exception handling. So I've taken the problem stack, which I have given some exceptions. So first of all, I have my class called stack, which extends the exception, and I have a string called dtype, and I have constructor in which I have got the string in the variable called detail, and I'm printing it through the function called toString. So basically, it starts from here. The main class exception in which I have an array top uh, two objects for stack e1 and size. So the functionality of stack is whenever you put an element, it goes inside the stack and the top gets incremented every time. So initially top will be in -1 stage. So whenever you put an element, it just increases to 0, 1 like that. So here I have my constructor of exception. So it takes an argument, and here it takes the argument and uh, it just shows that underflow and overflow, and I have initialized the top to -1. Here are my main functions: void, push, and pop. There are two functions to push an element inside the stack and to pop outside. So whenever you put an element inside the stack, it goes to the bottom. That is first in, last out. So in push, whenever through the main function I give an element, so it comes integer x. So whenever I push an element, the top gets incremented, and here I have a try and a catch, in which it displays the size of the array and the value at which top is, and if top is equal to size, that is if the top and the array size becomes equal, it just throws an exception called overflow, and it gives the element to the top, and it takes the exception and it prints it. And in pop, actually pop throws the stack exception. So here I have a try and catch method in which if top is equal to -1, if there is no element, it throws an exception, that is underflow, there is no element in the stack. So from the main function, I've created an object for the class called exception, and using that object I have put the numbers 2, 4, 9, 7 and 3, and 3 times I've popped 3 elements. So whatever the elements I've put in the last, that is 3, 7, 9, gets popped, and the remaining elements will be given along with the array size. So here you can see that new stack underflow. This is nothing but it creates dynamically, it creates an object, and it sends the statement underflow and overflow, from which here this underflow, the string is taken here and which is copied to the variable called detail. So while printing it in the string, in the toString function, it just prints that stack is plus detail, that is either it is an underflow or overflow. Let's see the output of this. So you can see the array size is 2, and the top first, when the first element goes, the top is 0, and the second element goes, the top is 1, when the third element goes, the top is 2. And here actually the array size is 2, so the stack is telling overflow. And one more, if we try to insert, the size is 2 and the top is now in the 3. Thank you.